Saluer. We have learned how to greet. Now we have to go further. We say bonjour. When you meet someone that you don't know, you say bonjour, but you add something. Madame or monsieur. Bonjour madame, bonjour monsieur. In meets, there is a sign of respect there. Bonjour madame, bonjour monsieur will mean good morning madam or good morning mister. Now the next question will be the person answering bonjour. Comment allez-vous? Bonjour, comment allez-vous? Bonjour, comment allez-vous means good morning, how are you? It means that. How are you? Now your answer has to be ça va, who will mean fine or everything is okay. Et vous and you. This is the pronom tonique. The pronom tonique we learned before. So what do you do here? You are sending back the question. Ça va et vous means everything is okay and you. So here is formal, but here is familiar with friends. You will say salut Julien. Hello Julian. Comment vas-tu? It means how are you? But here we are using comment allez-vous. Here we are using comment vas-tu. Difference. Formal, familiar, friends. Same way, ça va, fine, or everything is okay. Et toi. Et toi means and you. Toi is a pronoun tonique who means you. The difference is vous here is by respect, toi here is casual. So we say ça va et toi. Familiar. Another way to greet and ask a well-being. Salut Issa. Ça va? Hello Issa. Everything is okay. Ça va et toi? Fine and you? Everything is okay and you? This is the introduction of a conversation. You greet and you ask a well-being of someone. Bonjour, comment allez-vous? Salut, comment vas-tu? Salut, ça va? 3 different ways to greet and to ask a well-being of someone. So, we will go to our next chapter.